What happens if an ant lives inside our brain? Let's imagine this. An ant, one of nature's smallest and most resilient creatures, somehow finds its way inside the most complex organ of our body, our brain. What happens next is a tale of biology, survival, and the unimaginable consequences of this peculiar invasion. Picture an ant, tiny and curious, slipping through your ear or nasal cavity. Though extremely rare, such scenarios are not impossible. Insects have occasionally entered human ears or noses, causing discomfort and panic. But the brain, that's uncharted territory. If this little traveler managed to bypass your body's natural defenses, it would enter a world completely alien to it. An intricate web of neurons, blood vessels, and soft tissues. The human brain is protected by layers of defense. The skull, the meninges, a protective membrane, and the blood-brain barrier. If the ant miraculously bypasses these barriers, it might venture into the cerebral cortex, a place where thoughts, emotions, and memories are born. Your brain, however, would not take this intrusion lightly. The immune system would spring into action. Microglia, the brain's resident immune cells, would treat the ant as a foreign invader. These cells would attempt to engulf and destroy it, causing inflammation in the process. For the ant, the brain would be a surreal, hostile environment. Imagine being surrounded by electrical impulses and pulsating blood vessels, with no food or air suitable for survival. The ant's tiny sensory organs would likely be overwhelmed by the sheer activity within the brain. However, ants are known for their resilience. They can survive without air for minutes and even endure extreme conditions. If the ant managed to navigate, it might crawl along the brain's surface, inadvertently triggering sensations or hallucinations. For the unfortunate human, the presence of the ant would be catastrophic. The ant's movement could disrupt neural pathways, leading to random firings of neurons. The brain is not an ecosystem suited for insects. Without proper air, food, or water, the ant would quickly perish. But even its death could pose a problem. The decaying body could trigger infections or an immune response, causing further damage. The concept of an ant and brain sparks curiosity about the fragility and complexity of human biology. It's a reminder of how even the smallest creature could disrupt the intricate balance of life.